In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to the featured section on LinkedIn. This is a simple way to showcase important documents directly on your profile, such as a portfolio, resume, presentation, brochure, or any PDF that helps people quickly understand your work and experience. Adding a document to your featured section can make your profile look more polished and professional, and it also helps visitors notice your most important content right away. To get started, open LinkedIn and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main LinkedIn page, look to the top right corner and click on Me. From that menu, choose View Profile. This will take you directly to your personal LinkedIn profile, where you can edit and manage the sections that other people see. Once you're on your profile, find your featured section. If you already have one set up, click the pen icon on that section to edit it. If you don't have a featured section yet, that's completely fine. Just click Add Section, then go to Recommended and select Add Featured. This will create the section on your profile so you can start adding content to it. After that, look inside the featured section and click the plus icon in the top right area. This is where you can add new items to be displayed. LinkedIn gives you a few different content options here, but for this tutorial, you'll want to choose Add a Document. Next, select the PDF file you want to upload from your device. Before you choose it, it's a good idea to make sure the file is the correct version and has a clear professional file name, since this helps keep your profile organized. Once you select the PDF, LinkedIn will begin uploading it. After the upload finishes, your PDF will be added to the featured section of your profile. And that's it. Your document is now visible in a prominent spot where profile visitors can easily find it. If you want the best results, choose a PDF that represents you well and is easy to read on both desktop and mobile. A clean, relevant document can make a strong first impression. That's how to add a PDF to the featured section on LinkedIn.